What should I post on TikTok? If you're asking that question, you're in the right place, especially if you are a business or have something to sell. In this video, I'll walk you through my process for creating a TikTok strategy and how to grow your account. We will be creating a TikTok strategy, a content roadmap so that you're not stuck with wondering what to post. And at the end of this video, I'll share my favorite hack on how to give your TikTok videos even more views and potential boost of engagement. But if you're looking for more rapid fire tips, be sure to click the link below. Step 1, know your niche. Before you choose content, your format, or song, make sure you know who it is that you are talking to and know the reason why you're on TikTok, whether that's to grow your influence, your other social media accounts, or your email list. You have to know why you're there. Know what you're promoting, and if you need help, stalk your followers, stalk your competition, stalk people on TikTok to see what it is that they're doing. That's going to give you some help. Which leads me to my second point, research other people's content. So TikTok isn't all dancing. There's humor, there's business tips, there's series, and there's dancing, but there's also different trends. To get inspiration, you can always search your niche. You can look at the Discover page, as well as being on the For You page, you will see all different types of ways that you can create content. Now, the For You page is where you're gonna find trends. I recommend that you do 70% trends and 30% evergreen content. It's important to note that you need to do trends while they're trending because it's gonna cause you to get more views on your content. Now, for your evergreen content, you can actually batch record that, and then you can post it throughout the day periodically. Now, before we talk hashtags, can you do me a favor and like this video if you're getting value? It would really help the channel. Thank you so much. Step 3 is research your hashtags. Now, it's important to note that when you are using hashtags, first, make sure you use hashtags that have to do with your target audience and use hashtags between 300,000 and 2 million views. If you go above that, you get lost with all the people that are using those same hashtags when you're trying to get your content to be targeted. Step 4, research your publication schedule. When you're trying to reach your current audience, make sure you check your analytics. And your analytics are gonna tell you when your followers are normally online. And I recommend that you post your videos an hour before they're normally there. That way, once they get there, they can see your video. If you're trying to reach a broader audience, then you want to keep in mind like what are normal posting times on social media where people are the most active. Probably early morning and when they're off work, and sometimes right before bed. But keep in mind that everyone's audience is different. And so it's really important for you to test it out, post content at different times, and you'll be able to know what works best for you and your account. Now, to see your analytics, you have to make sure that you have upgraded your account to a creator account. And you'll know that by first clicking on the 3 little dots in the upper right-hand corner, and then you will see where it says either personal account or creator account. If it says personal, click switch to creator. If it already says creator, then you're already there. Click on creator and then you'll see analytics. Click on analytics and it's gonna show you everything about your account. It's gonna show you an overview. It will show you all about your followers when they're active with you, if they're male or female. It will tell you what time that they're normally on the platform. It'll even tell you what country that they're in. It's also gonna show you what is happening in all your live videos, all in the analytics panel. Now we've got a whole video all about analytics and I'm gonna put that in the description below. Now, as promised, here is my favorite little hack. When you're doing how-tos and business videos, be sure to add a trending sound to your video. Turn down the volume of that trending sound and turn your volume up. That's gonna give your video a massive boost. I'm actually gonna show you how to do it. So first, you wanna go ahead and record a video. So hit the plus sign, talk into your video, do all of what you wanna talk about in your video. Then you're gonna click the red checkbox that's on the lower right-hand corner. In the lower left-hand corner, you will see the words sound. Click on sound. You're gonna see a list of different audios that you can choose to add to your video. And just choose whichever one is your favorite. That's typically one that TikTok has for trending. You've chosen that sound. Now, on that same screen, you wanna click on volume. Once you click that, you're gonna see where it says original sound, which is you. Turn that up to 100%. And then you will see added sound. That's that music. You wanna turn that all the way down. You can do down to 0 or to 5, whatever. You just wanna have it at a comfortable level. Then click on next and you've added sound to your video. Now, obviously, there's a lot more optimizing that I do before I post a video. And for more about that, click this video here. But if you want more TikTok tips, click this playlist here and you can get all of that. I'll see you in there.